something sweet at the weekend, something that goes perfectly with a nice cup of tea. My raspberry and chocolate chunk banana bread with chocolate ganache totally hits the spot. We start by mixing together the eggs, butter, sugar and bananas. Then adding in the flour, baking powder and bicarbonate of soda before loading up the flavour with raspberries and chocolate chunks. Add the cake mixture to a lined loaf tin and place in the oven on Circotherm 170C for 40 to 50 minutes. I sometimes swap out the raspberries for blueberries, blackberries or finely chopped peaches when they're in season. Having a bit more free time at the weekend means it's a great time to experiment with different flavours. Whilst the cake's cooling, we're going to make a velvety smooth ganache to pour on top. Bring the cream up to near boiling temperature, then turn the heat off, add the chocolate and place a lid on. After 5 minutes, the chocolate will have melted into the cream and you'll have a lovely smooth ganache. Pour the ganache over the cake and serve. That's my raspberry chocolate banana bread with chocolate ganache. I tried to save some for the kids' lunch boxes, but it's usually gone by Sunday.